He's leaving. Another Gundam is leaving us. Bandai have announced that the famous Unicorn Gundam at Odaiba is being removed. This comes only 2 years after the closure of Gundam Factory in Yokohama. Back in 2017, it took the place of the classic Gundam RX something something, which guarded the front of Diver City for over 5 years. Now, almost 9 years later, its watch has ended and will be decommissioned at the end of August. If you're in Tokyo before then, come pay your respects and say your final goodbyes. And if your timing is lucky, you might catch one of the massive send-off events Bandai have planned. Bandai haven't explained why they're removing this Odaiba icon, but have promised a new Gundam landmark concept is coming. So, if you're watching this in the future, let me know in the comments if it's any good.